How to use Pictory.ai to create YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Pictory.ai to create YouTube Shorts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply head over to Pictory.ai, and after you search for that, head over to its website. Also, you will need to log in into your account. Now, logging in is really simple. You can simply log in using your Google account. So you can tap on continue with Google, which I will do. And there we go, I am logged in. Now to create a YouTube short, what you'll need to do is you can simply use their inbuilt tool or inbuilt templates, which you can use the text to video option right here. And now simply paste what you want to add in the text. So let's say that this is the text that I want. Let me copy this, come back here, paste it. And after doing this, what you can do is you can start generating an idea. You can also change the ratio here. So let's say this is the ratio, and you can select your brand and other stuff if you want. Then also you can start with an idea right here if you want the AI to write a stunning video script. So after you write the script, you can simply tap on generate video. After you tap on generate video, it can take some time to prepare the story. So wait while this does that. And also, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And as you can see, the text to video is almost done. And after it's done, you will be able to see the video right here, play. So there you can make some edits if you want. Now let's play this. So yeah, just let it load. You can see the scene duration from here. And doing that, you can see the scene too as well. And you can play this, and yeah, you can now download this if you want to make some edits. You can add some scripts here. You can enhance some videos, and for visuals, you can change the visuals from here as well. So as you can see, there are different stuff available, which if you like, you can use. And yeah, that is basically how you can create a YouTube short from Pictory.ai. Also, just tap on download to download this, and you're good to go. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.